Hello friends and fans of the Frosty Nut again. Here is another very quick little video to show you how to load Mobiflight configs. A lot of people seem to be confused about how to load their Mobiflight configs. So here we are sitting in our Phoenix, cold and dark. All right, we haven't got Mobiflight up and running. So here's what we do. First of all, you go to this website, flightsim.to, and you find my file that says the Mobiflight config final. Okay. This is the final version, fixes all the minor issues in that. It is compatible for both 2020 and 2024. Okay, it is made by me so that you can not have to worry about anything. Okay, I've gone through this left, right, and center, upside down, and inside out. Okay, so go to flightsim.to, download the Rosefire A107 Phoenix A320 Mobiflight config final version, which is V5. Okay, all right. Now, once you've done that, then come over to your folder wherever you've downloaded it to. All right. In this case, we've downloaded it here. We have it here in this area. We're going to right-click on it and WinRAR, we're going to extract it. Now, whether you've got WinRAR, zip, or whatever, WinRAR is the most preferred one. You're going to extract it. I'm going to extract it, in this case, to the actual folder name. All right. There we are. Once we've done that, we're going to get rid of the actual zip file. We no longer need that, or put it somewhere safe. When in this folder, here is your config file. Okay, next step, bring up your Mobiflight. Here is your Mobiflight. Blank. Don't worry about what's in here now. What's important is what is up here, up the top, where the plus symbol is. This is what's important. Okay, first of all, we're going to make sure that we have our device connected. We're going to go to modules and we're going to check we have our module installed for our Rosefire A107. It is there. It is fine. It is being seen. Go to the plus symbol. Click on the plus symbol and then go from existing project. Click on that. And then you'll find my V5 file wherever you've downloaded it. Click on that and open. That is all you need to do. Now, what you need to do to ensure that it runs every single time you load Mobiflight is you need to now save it before you run anything. Save as, and then save as wherever you're going to save it so that it automatically will be saved in the config. And when you load Mobiflight the next time, it will automatically load up with that config file. And if you add new config files for Wing, or whether you add them for SL3 or anything, you always add from existing project and then save as, and then those profiles will load as well. Okay, so for example, if I load my SL3 one here from existing project, I simply have to find my SL3 one, which is for the auto brake, just that one there. Okay, I then confirm that auto brake to the correct, I assign it to the correct module, not the Rosefire one. And if you ever load up your Mobiflight config and it comes up here with the Rosefire one is orphaned, this is orphan serials, it simply means that the COM port has reconfigured something. You simply choose the Rosefire from here and then assign. In this case, I'm using my SL3 auto brake. So I choose the SL3 auto brake here, assign, that is now assigned, and just go OK. And now I will save that as my default settings. I'll just call it actually Phoenix Mobiflight. I'll just do large MF default. Okay, simple as that. So every single time that I'll show you, I will close Mobiflight, I will reload Mobiflight, and every time I load it up now, it will load that saved file in. And you will see up the top, my Rosefire and my SL3 are now set. Okay, then all you do is just run it like normal. Just run it. Sometimes it won't run the first go. Click it again. Make sure that it is running. When that is red and says stop, that means it's running. Okay, when you click stop and it comes up with the green arrow, it's not running. Okay, confirm by the values over here. All right, so you just click run and until you see that it's stopped and you see these values over here. Simply, and you see down the bottom here, it says running. Okay, you got a green symbol here, green symbol there. Everything is fine. Just minimize it down and you are in business. Simple as that, guys. Hit your overhead panel, turn it on. Bingo, there's your power coming on. But yes, to clarify, when you set up your cold and dark status to start with, make sure that all of your SIM buttons are in the cold and dark default state, as well as what is on your actual overhead panel add-on. And then when you've confirmed all of that, only then do you start to push the power button and run everything. It's as simple as pie. Okay, thanks guys. I hope that helps you. If you have any comments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact me. I will sort it out for you. Thank you very much. Stay frosty.